Okay, I'd like to show you guys just how to get started on this hanger bracket. So what you do once you get this part downloaded, right, and I'm only going to show you the first part today, but we are going to start with some sketching, all right? And in order to do this properly, you need to be able to go back between the PDF print that has all the dimensions on here, all right, for you, and then you need to be able to get into SolidWorks. So I've already drawn a little bit, but let me back up and just show you what I ended up doing here. I first started my sketch on the top plane. So if I didn't have anything drawn, I would click top plane. So you're going to do that. And then I would go up to my top view so that I'm looking at it from a bird's eye view down. Then what I did, and my numbers are different here, but for the sake of this, you can look these numbers up, but I just want to get through this quickly. All right, so you're going to want to go back and smart dimension all these and get this circle in the right spot. But to get this circle here, you need to be on top plane, top view, and I'm going to start sketching. All right, so what I did to place this circle is I grabbed my line tool. I came over here on the edge of the part and I found the midpoint. I left click and I drug a line out, and then you can dimension that line. After that, you're going to grab your circle tool. You're going to click, you're going to put a circle in here, and then you're going to dimension that. Okay. Once you have your circle placed, you can click on this line and delete it because you don't need it anymore. The next thing I did, I came up and I grabbed my line tool again. I went to the midpoint, and I do know the distance from here all the way over here is 18. So if I take 18 divided by 2, I can go draw a line up 9, draw a line down 9. And then from there, I click, bring it all the way over until it intersects the circle, click, push escape on my keyboard, grab my line tool, draw another line already there, or that I already have there, right? So now I'm good to go there. I want to make this a fully shaded part though, okay? Because you can see this is circle shaded, but this part over here, this rectangle, is not fully enclosed. To do that, I can come up to my trim entities. It's under sketch tools. It looks like a scissors. Left click on it. And then I just come in and trim up the circle. All right, now I have a fully shaded, and if I look at the bottom, it says fully defined part. Left click, rotate. You can see that sketch there. Now to extrude a cut, I go to features, extrude a cut. The default is blind, so that a blind means it only goes down a certain measurement. So I want to go through all, so it goes all the way through my part. Click the green check mark, and now I can rotate my part. Okay. Now the next thing I want you to do for today is work on putting some holes on the side here, and you do through all cuts. Once again, to do the side drawings, you're going to start a sketch. Okay, I'm going to pull this over. So figure out what plane you want to be on. Is it on the front plane, the top plane, or the right plane? I would actually click on the front plane, and then I would go sketch. Now you can use your lines and your circle tool. So I'd use the lines to help me figure out where I'm going to place that circle. Place a circle. Let's say it was right there. Smart dimension it. Okay. And then I can go features, extrude a cut, and I can go through all, green check mark. Okay. And then if I did that right, you can see that there is a hole cut through there now. Okay. So I'm going to let you guys go. You guys get this started, and we'll take off from there tomorrow. Okay. See ya.